Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard liquid step by step. Start by warming 2 cups of milk until steamy but not boiling, then whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/3 cup sugar until pale. Slowly pour warm milk into yolks while whisking to temper. Return mixture to pan and cook gently over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens slightly and coats the back of a spoon. Maintaining gentle, steady heat is the secret to silky custard. Use low heat and an instant read thermometer to guide you toward 175 degrees F, which helps proteins set without curdling. Stir constantly with a silicone spatula or wooden spoon, scraping the pan bottom to prevent hot spots. If small curds appear, strain the mixture through a fine sieve and whisk until smooth. Cool quickly to stop cooking and preserve texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes hands-free, with a glare-free screen and long battery life making it easy to follow steps while cooking. I find it handy in the kitchen for saved recipe notes and timers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your custard has thickened, immediately strain it into a clean bowl to remove any bits and ensure a velvety result. Place the bowl over an ice bath and stir occasionally until cool to stop the cooking process and set the texture. You can enjoy the custard warm, chill it for a firmer set, or use it as a base for ice cream, tarts, or pouring sauces for desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.